Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. In January of this year, 2020, I shared this video, giving you a home tour of what my home looked like in September of 2018. Because I am now starting some updates and small renos in my home, I wanted to share that video to give you a before and then take you on this journey of updating my home. Here is another video that I shared of having a chandelier hung, and I'm starting with this update, starting with my entryway and my bathroom. I'm starting now part 2, showing trim molding that I'm having put up. These are inspiration pictures that I pulled off Pinterest, kind of giving a similar look of what I am doing in my entryway or having done in my entryway. And I love the look. It just gives a richer high-end look and adds style to my home. Again, these are just inspirational pictures off of Pinterest. And these are columns. I also have columns that are attached to archways, 3 arches that I have. They are also getting trimmed as well. Now coming up is a quick video tour of my foyer entry before the updates. This is what it looked like when I had the 2 chandeliers hung that I purchased from a thrift store, and I got them for $20 a piece. And I'm standing in the bathroom off my foyer. You'll see this here trim molding. We started on the bathroom, but we halted on that, and I wanted to actually get the foyer completed before I moved into the bathroom. And here is my handyman, Scott Bell. I so appreciate him. He's also teaching me while he is doing the work in my home. Okay, this picture is showing how I want the trim molding to go around my windows. Here's what I'm pointing out. These are my windows in the foyer. Don't mind the curtain and don't mind the blinds. They're just there to keep light out until I get the blinds or the shutters up and the trim around the window. So again, that's what I'm pointing out here. And then I'm also wanting to get some trim around the door. I'm still thinking on that. Not sure as of yet. Again, just giving you the look of what I'm wanting done. And I think it's going to look so nice because I'm going to have everything white. And then also, if you can see in this picture, down at the very bottom towards that door is a piece of wood. This was a last minute thought, and I'm pointing to on the wall. I got to put molding, the trim molding there as well. But this piece of wood that is on the floor, I'm going to take it all the way around and to look something like this. In this picture, the bottom part that's touching the floor. Because when I looked at mine, it looks like my crown molding is just floating. So to me, adding more trim at the bottom will give a finished look. And here I'm holding off on the wood floors right now and just going to get my carpet steam cleaned. You can see it's dirty from people walking over it over the years. So I'm just going to get it steam cleaned. And also I'm going to get crown molding in my living room. This crown molding was already put in here when I moved. But I will be getting it done in my entire area downstairs. Remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. Make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.